Planetarium in Dnipro city nearby survived renovation. It's located approximately 5 walking minutes distance from most city, well-known mall, the Dnipro city. There are several shows. The first begins at 12 o'clock and the last one or at 6 or at 8, I don't remember, to regret. Before show in the hall itself, there are some small tour around Planetarium. In Ukrainian language, I'm not sure about English one. Maybe for some extra requirements, I'm sure they can arrange excursion tour in English language. So the tour takes approximately maybe 20 minutes, and the nice young lady will tell you about every exhibit in this planetarium. And after this you will watch some program. Every show at every 12 o'clock, 4 o'clock, for example, has separate show and a separate theme. And then usually at the end of this show there are some full couple cartoon for children. But you need to ask the program. For example, when I visited this wonderful place with my son, there were only maybe 6 or 7 persons. Daytime, not so many. So anyway, this is a unique place, friendly speaking. You are welcome to Dnipro Planetarium.
А фотографувати зірки можна, тільки без спалахів. І якщо вам треба буде вийти, ви можете зробити це через ті двері, через які ви сюди зайшли. Отож, до зірок того разу хоробрий Грекл отримав завдання – зустрітися з левом. Він зрозумів, що звичайна зброя не допоможе, і знайшов 11 кілець хмари газу роблять у тумані схожою на таємничий погляд кішки.
Випробовування!
Я готовий!
Почнемо тоді з розминки. Розминки для мозку. Вгадай сторони світу.